Oh, here's my video anyway. I say to Paulo Cruzada and even Gina Sejo, Teacher Jean. Oh, you know Teacher Gina Sejo and Paulo Cruzada. Do not make a bomb joke. You know, for me, what really happened is, when I was in the airport, I never say about bomb joke. Naiya Terminal 3, I never supposed to say a bomb joke before we go to Japan, Fukuoka. Unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, whenever you say a bomb joke when you were in Narita Airport, oh, you will be arrested. First of all, I'm just gonna say to Paulo Cruzada and his family members, or even teacher Gina Sejo, even that her son, Jeffrey Asejo, I know Kresha and Kyle Asejo and her husband, oh, they make, what is it, bomb threats, oh. You know, Paulo Cruzada, do not make bomb threats and do not promote ISIS. You know, for me, whenever I say ISIS, oh, and you say about Islamic State, and then you harass Teacher May, you saying about, what was Paulo Cruzada said? I-hostage ko si Teacher May, oh. Bob, what's that word, oh. Uh, sabugin ko ang Davao City, oh. What you were saying at J. Rick Silva, and also Joseph Maspinas. It's not really good to say a bomb threat. You know, Paulo Cruzada, we have anti-terror law. Because after Rodrigo Duterte abolished the, what is it, Presidential Decree 1727 or anti-bomb joke law, and we have anti-terror law, which was signed by Rodrigo Duterte. For me, Paulo Cruzada, do not make a bomb threat. However, if you takes your saying about bomb threat, if you say about nonsense, they will not going to forgive you. Me, I'm never supposed to say a bomb joke. Even just, I'm saying, Jeric Silva asked me, pag sinabi mo magpasabugin ng Davao City, kakainin ka ng Philippine reptile. This is what Jeric Silva said. You know, Paulo Cruzada, do not make bomb threats. Have mercy to yourself. You know, like me, look at, I'm just saying, Kuya M.A. Had asked me about who's Gina Sejo, I asked him, that's a SPED teacher in CDIFI, she was working there as SPED teacher in Japan. I don't think it will be Tokyo, if Joseph Maspina's uncle had traveled there in Japan, in Tokyo, if he apply a Japan visa, at all papers that he will apply a Japan visa, and then he will fly to Japan to ask the Interpol, they will arrest teacher Gina Sejo. The Japan will extradite Gina Sejo to the Philippines, back to the Philippines, and now teacher Gina Sejo will face the consequences. Even Paulo Cruzada, both of them, they will face their consequences. Have you remembered the teacher May Tiburcio? It's already been trauma and nervous, and she was stressed over with the bomb threats and bomb joke, like for example ISIS. I'm not promoting ISIS. What I remember is, I'm not promoting ISIS. Like me, I'm not promoting ISIS. And you're saying about ISIS, Paulo Cruzada, Jean Asedio, to threaten to hostage Teacher May. Teacher May Tiburcio had reported to Joseph Maspinas that she said that binabantaan ako ni Paulo Cruzada at ni Jean Asedio. Is this very nice to say about bomb threat? Is this very nice to say about promoting terrorism? You know, like me, for just example, pag nangyari to ni Paulo Cruzada at ni Jean Asedio, like I said before, when I was told by Jeric Silva, matutulad ka sa nangyari, like what happened to the Bondi Beach in Australia. As for me, you need to stop with this bomb threats. I do not even like to promote terrorism. Like I was told by Roylan Marlang, and I said, though, I do not promote terrorism. Paulo Cruzada, Jean Asedio, and Jeffrey Asedio, even that uncle of Paula Nunez, G. Macasandil, including I'm just saying to four of you, do not make bomb threats. You know, Capitana Solonga said to me, I never want to promote terrorism. I talked with Franco Morales. I apologize to the family of David Gill that I made the bomb threat over the, what is that, Santa Maria del Estrada. And I apologize with Larry Chuanico that I'm the one responsible who make fake account to make a bomb joke. Like you, Paulo Cruzada, you do not really want to be happen to me. Ayoko mangyari sa'yo. Like I said, you know, it's better to say you need to stop with the bomb joke. You need to better to stop. Because, you know, everyone are still angry at you, Paulo Cruzada. A bomb joke is not really good. What you're talking about, it's not really true. You need to stop.